Hello, welcome to Brainx TV. Today we have a question on the indices to solve. So let's get through the step-by-step approach to solving the question of this nature. Alright, please note that we have had a video that explains all the rules and properties of indices. So please, if you've not checked on it, please check up on it to get yourself familiarized with the rules of indices. Alright, so as you solve the questions, we're going to apply them when I further explain the rules are. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get to the solution. Alright, so let's start off. So we have 2 times 3 exponent 2 all exponent 5 divided by 3 times 2 exponent 2 all exponent 4. Alright, we can recall there is this law of indices which says that we have 2 numbers that have an exponent. Then this is better solved by apportioning each of these numbers with the exponent. So this will give us a exponent m times b exponent m. So the same law can be applied over here. So we're going to apportion the exponent to each of these 2 numbers. So this will give us 2 exponent 5 times 3 exponent 2 all exponent 5. Please don't get confused. 3 had an exponent of 2 already before we were given out 5. So you get 2 exponent 5 times 3 exponent 2 all of this exponent 5 divided by, so do the same as the denominator, 3 exponent 4 times 2 exponent 2 all exponent 4. Very good, understand it. Alright, now to work this one out, there was another rule of indices which says that if you have an index which has another index, what you do is that you multiply the 2 indices. This will give us a exponent m times n. So I'm going to apply this rule over here to these 2 indices. So this is going to give us 2 exponent 5 times 3 exponent 2 times 5 all divided by 3 exponent 4 times 2 exponent 2 times 4. And this is going to give us 2 exponent 5 times 3 exponent 2 times 5 is 10. So times 3 exponent 10 divided by 3 exponent 4 times 2 exponent 2 times 4 gives us 8. So 2 exponent 8. Is that you understand it? Alright, now we have a base of 2, a base of 3, a base of 3, a base of 2. So because of the commutative nature of multiplication, we're going to swap these 2 numbers up. We're not going to change the value, just swap the positions. So this is going to give us 2 exponent 5 times 3 exponent 10 divided by 3 exponent 4. Sorry, you say that you are changing the positions. So you get 2 exponent 8 times 3 exponent 4. Please try to understand it. Alright. Next, we are going to separate these 2 indices since they have the same basis. So this will now give us 2 exponent 5 divided by 2 exponent 8 times 3 exponent 10 divided by 3 exponent 4. They are actually the same, we just split them over. Alright, now, by our rule of indices, we have another rule that when the bases are the same in their dividing, we subtract the exponents. Because of something like a exponent m divided by a exponent n is equal to a exponent m minus n. So the same thing can be attributed to these two. So since they are dividing, you now get 2 exponents 5 minus 8 times 3 exponents 10 minus 4. Do you understand it? Alright. So we move on. So we're going to work out these exponents. So this will give us 2 exponents. 5 minus 8 equals negative 3 times 3 exponents. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Alright. Now, we had another rule of indices. So we've gotten to now apply 4 of them. This is the first one, the second, the third, and the fourth that we are going to apply. Now, this law of indices says that if you have a number with a negative index, it's the same as the quotient of the index now becoming positive. So 1 over a exponent m. So please note. So you can apply this fourth rule over here to this equation. This will give us 1 over 2 exponent 3 times 3 exponent 6. Please note that 3 exponent 6 is at the numerator. So we have numbers and numerators that multiply. So we get 1 times 3 exponent 6 divided by 2 exponent 3. This will give us 3 exponent 6 divided by 2 exponent 3. Alright, moving on, we are going to use this property again. Now, here we go. We can get the factors of 6 to be 3 times 2. We are doing so because we have an exponent of 3 here. We're going to apply another rule to this. Alright, so we're going to change this to be 3 exponent 3 times 2 divided by 2 exponent 3. Alright, then we would apply this as the same way that we do over here to now get 3 exponent 2 all exponent 3 divided by 2 exponent 3. I hope you get it. Alright, so because of the denominator with an exponent of 3, we try to make the numerator to get an exponent of 3. Now, the first law we are coming to apply over here is that if we have a quotient that shares the same exponent, we're going to apportion the numerator with the exponent, the numerator with the same exponent. This will give us a exponent m divided by b exponent m. So since the indices for the numerator and the denominator are the same, we're going to apply this particular rule to it. So let me continue from here. I'm going to rewrite this over here. We get 3 exponent 2 all exponent 3 divided by 2 exponent 3. This will now give us 3 exponent 2 divided by 2 all exponent 3. So leaving our answer in index form, our answer finally becomes 3 exponent 2 divided by 2 all exponent 3. So you understand it, and the rules that we apply. Please do watch over the video to learn how we apply these rules to the solution. So, in conclusion, our answer is going to be 2 exponents 2 times 3 exponents 2 all to the power 5 divided by 3 times 2 exponents 2 all to the power 4 will now give us our final answer, which is 3 exponent 2 divided by 2 all of this exponent 3 as our answer. So please do well to pause the video, to go through the video and try to get used to the laws of indices that you have applied. And as well, take your time and go through the question and you get to this question, this answer. Please do well to subscribe to Brainx TV for more simplified and detailed explanations to questions of this nature. So we can together say that mathematics is the easiest subject ever to be taught in schools. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and share the link of the videos to others as well, so we can all learn mathematics together. If you're watching on TikTok, please do well to tap the heart over there and follow Brainx for more ways of solving simple questions of this nature. See you in our next videos. Bye!